This is the weekly weather briefing for Monday, December 8th. Overview. Monday through Thursday, looking at wet and mild conditions. For the weekend, near normal temperatures and drier. And then next week, chances for precipitation look to increase some point around early next week. Air stagnation advisory will continue through noon Tuesday. We should see pollutants improving as we go through next week due to increasing chances for precipitation across the region. This is a model image of water vapor transport, just showing a very large area of moisture moving towards the Pacific Northwest. This has subtropical origins and will be moving into the region tonight and will be remaining over the region through the work week. Snow levels will be relatively high during this wet period, although we will see snow levels lower across the east slopes of the Cascades and over to the Okanagan Highlands. Somewhere between 2,000 and 3,000 feet will be expected for those areas. Precipitation type will be a little bit trickier across these areas due to the lower snow levels. A mix of rain and snow will be possible across the upper Methow Valley. And then over into the Okanagan Highlands as well, near Republic, we could see a little mix of rain and snow. All other valley locations are expected to see rain and only some high elevation snow possible, mainly for the Northeast Mountains and the Northern Panhandle. So what kind of snowfall totals can we expect over the next 24 hours? In the upper Methow Valley, we could see a couple of inches of some very wet snow, and the mountain areas, or in the mountains, we'll see up to near a foot or so of snow possible for the next 24 hours. Then as we go into tomorrow night through Thursday night, we will continue to see wet conditions, but snow levels should be rising above mid-elevations or so. So over 5,000 feet in elevation, we could see an additional 2 to 3 feet of snow. That's where the heaviest snow is expected to occur. The storm total precipitation from Monday night, so tonight all the way through Thursday, we are looking at some very wet conditions. Around 1.5 inches to maybe even 3 inches will be possible in the east slope of the Cascades. Local amounts up near 4 inches will be possible. The heavier accumulations are going to be more likely near the crest of the Cascades. As we go over into the Northeast Mountains, we could see 1 inch of total rainfall across these areas, and then also 1/2 inch to maybe 3/4 of an inch possible in the Panhandle, where a lot of this heavier rainfall will more likely occur more towards the mid portion of the work week. And then the basin, we could see anywhere between 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch as well across these areas. For the weekend, we will see conditions becoming drier as high pressure builds in. This will act to trap a lot of the moisture that's around the area, so we could see some dense fog developing, some lower visibilities, so this could have some impact on travel across the region. Okay, just to summarize our impacts through the week for tonight through Tuesday morning, we'll see some air quality issues continuing at least through the morning on Tuesday. Then we will see a chance of some rain and snow, or a mix of rain and snow in the upper Methow Valley. As we go through the work week, we will see increasingly wet and mild conditions across the region. Heavy rain at low to mid elevations along the east slopes of the northern Cascades. This will bring a slight possibility for some minor hillside sloughing, and then maybe some nuisance type flooding due to block culverts, especially near the Carlton Complex burn scar. Heavy snow, generally above 5,000 feet, is expected in the Cascade Mountains. For the weekend, ridge of high pressure builds in, and we'll be mainly looking at the possibility for some widespread dense fog across the region. The 8 to 14 day outlook from the Climate Prediction Center, looking at the temperatures and precipitation. We are looking at a better than average chance for warmer temperatures during this period next week. And then the signal is not quite as clear for precipitation, depending on when and how that ridge breaks down next week. Okay, this concludes the recorded portion of the briefing for this week.